5 ways on how to keep the love alive in your relationship to save it from collapsing. If you are watching this today, this is not a coincidence. This message is for you. Let's go now. Here is how you can keep the love alive in your relationship. 1. Make time to spend together every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. 2. Show your appreciation and love for each other often. 3. Communicate openly and honestly with each other. 4. Take turns doing activities that you both enjoy. 5. Make sure to show your partner that you are listening and understanding their feelings and concerns. In conclusion, the key to keeping the love alive in your relationship is to make sure that you are both showing appreciation, communicating openly and honestly with each other, and taking time to spend together. By doing these things, you will be able to keep the love alive and keep your relationship strong. Subscribe to get more tips on how to improve your relationship. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Best of luck.